Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we are going to be doing something very different from what we usually do. So in this tutorial I'm just going to give my first channel update. So since I started my YouTube channel, I never had a channel update. So in this tutorial I'm going to have a little channel update, and we'll discuss who I am, what are my objectives for this channel, what are my future expectations, and what I hope to achieve with this channel, and also most importantly, to get suggestions from you guys, and also to thank you for the milestone that you have just reached. So my channel is actually a year old, and it has recently I have reached 10,000 views. So that's a small win, but for me it's actually something really big, right? So I will just tell you why it's really something big to me. Okay, so let's start by introducing, and also I'm also going to introduce my Discord server, so you can begin to create an online community, and how you guys can interact with me, give suggestions and other stuff like that. So stay tuned, and let's get started. So let's first begin with who am I. Like, my name is Prince, right? So my name is Prince, Prince Grandpa. So I'm a first year student in college. So I started programming back in high school. So I was just a kid back home, was curious about programming, and got introduced to game development by one of my teachers in high school. So I really got curious about how programming and all this stuff works. So I started learning programming in my spare time. So I was initially doing we're building a game back in high school. So I was doing the 3D modeling part of the game, like we're using Autodesk. If you use Windows, it's the same as Blender for guys who use Linux. So we're doing things like modeling stuff, and then coding and all of this stuff. So that's where I got really motivated and really got curious about how games work, because I was a big fan of, I was a big gamer when I was a kid. So I would just spend like the whole day playing games. So being able to make my own games was really something that really just was wow for me. So I started programming, learning to program on my own, YouTube videos, reading articles, documentations. I was using like my mom's phone, because I didn't actually have a phone of my own. I didn't have a internet connection, so I would take my mom's phone and go to YouTube from there, and then code along with the tutorials on my laptop. So that's how I began coding, and found it really interesting. So when I finished high school about a year ago, I really was motivated. Like, I learned all of this programming stuff online, because I became really good at programming. Not sure like the best, but I was really good at programming because I really loved it and spent a lot of hours programming. So I was really passionate about it, and I wanted to like to share my knowledge with the world, because I learned all of this from the internet, right? I didn't pay even a dime to learn programming. So I was really like, maybe it's time that I give back, or I share my knowledge, because I really love helping people out, teaching and stuff like that. So I decided to start a YouTube channel, just to give back to the world what the world gave me, which was my new programming skills. So I started my first YouTube channel, which failed when I was still in high school, and then after high school I started this channel, and here we are today. So 10,000 views so far, and we are almost approaching 20,000 views. So guys, thanks you so much. When I started this channel, I wasn't taking it that serious, but later on, you guys, due to your support, your comments, I really got motivated and started taking things seriously. And here we are so far for now. So we are still growing. It's still a small YouTube channel, just 10,000 views total, and about 500 subscribers. So guys, thanks for all your support so far. I couldn't have made it this far without you. So let me just tell you what my objectives are for this channel are. What are my aims? So my aim is just to create a platform, an online platform, where people can get free educative education content about programming stuff online, where people can communicate, share ideas on programming, solve problems, debug code, work on projects collaboratively, and develop something that that is really important and inspiring to different people. Like me, I learned programming from online resources. I didn't pay anything to learn programming. So I'm trying to create a community whereby we can all learn, collaborate, develop things for free, like without any segregation, discrimination. Just an online platform where you can come, give your suggestions, ask questions about programming, give suggestions about new videos that you might want to see, just like that. Build new projects with me, learn different programming languages. Just a community whereby we can all collaborate freely without discrimination or segregation or anything, without having to pay even a dime for it. So that's my aim for this channel, to create a community whereby youngsters just like me when I was a kid, right? We can all come as people who are just in the intermediate level, just like me, can advance their skill and hopefully move to the advanced level. So as I go along with my programming journey, I also want to help all those guys who are just starting out programming, those guys who are in the middle, and those guys who are wishing were in the middle like me and wishing to become experts. We all go along with the journey and we all achieve something at the end of the day. So that's basically my objective for this channel. So my main programming language for this channel is, for now, is as Python. If I decide to change it or to do anything in the future, then I'll let you guys know. But for this this tutorial, that's what I wanted my main to. For now, my main programming language is actually going to be Python. So whatever project we'll be building, it will be building Python, and also be moving between Python and JavaScript. Since we're going to be doing web development, we're going to be doing artificial intelligence, you're going to be doing Django and all stuff like that, and all the projects that you guys will suggest. So if you guys will suggest any language, I'll make videos on it. If you suggest projects, I'll make videos on it. So we'll use the languages according to the demands of the project, right? So languages are just tools, right? We shouldn't like marry languages or anything like that. So I'll just be using Python as the main language, but all other languages will still be used whenever you guys make suggestions, or whenever you're building a project and we need to use a specific language for that specific project. So that's mainly it for this. So in the future, I try to make I'll be making videos on artificial intelligence. I'll also be making videos on Django. So I've been building mainly back-end projects using APIs and Python libraries like Fast API, Flask, and so on. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be making videos on Django REST framework, Django itself. I'll be doing TensorFlow, AI, Kedro, MLflow, and stuff like that. So guys, and all the project that you guys will suggest will also be included in the future objectives. So these are the future prospects for my channel: AI, Django, you guys your suggestions, new languages, new technologies, and frameworks. Okay, so mainly for now we're building mostly back end. Also we'll be building full stack applications. Like you can see, I've actually built a series on Fast API in React, which is a full stack application inventory management system. If you haven't checked that series out, consider checking that series out. Okay, so lastly, I also want to appreciate all of you guys who have been commenting on my videos. So you guys, I really appreciate this a lot. It means a lot to me. So I want to thank people like Khadija, people like Tanjimal, I hope it's pronounced like that, linguistic colors and stuff like that, guys. Benji Void. So these guys are providing me a great suggestion here. So guys, thank you guys very much for all your contributions, and thank you all of you guys who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please kindly consider subscribing, since most of my people watch my video are actually not subscribed, about 85%. So feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the community, and let us all grow together, create a community we can learn collaboratively and just have positive vibes. Okay, so lastly, I also want to talk about my new you guys have asked for a Discord server. So I've actually created the Discord server right here. So this is a Discord server, so I'm going to put the link in the description. Just in this video, you guys can all join the Discord server, contribute, make suggestions for new videos. Whenever I upload videos, I also post it in the Discord server, so that you guys can also stay updated with the community. It is just going to be a platform where you guys can communicate with me, share ideas with other people, so that we can all grow together and benefit at the end of the day. Okay, so just feel free, the link is in the description. Just join the Discord server and contribute to the community, for the goodness of the community. Give suggestions. If someone has an error in their code or from a video in my channel, they can leave it in here and we can discuss it and debug it. So that's basically the community for that. So kindly feel free to join the community. So guys, that's all for this tutorial. So I just want to thank you guys for all your support, all your subscriptions, all your comments, all your encouragements, all your suggestions. I really appreciate it a lot. And this marks the end of my first channel updates. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly join the community and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Keep safe, guys.